Question number 43. If the difference between the squares of two consecutive numbers is 39, the numbers are. The difference between the squares of two consecutive numbers. So one number we will take it as x, other number we will take it as x plus 1. Two consecutive numbers. One number you take it as x, other number x plus 1. X plus 1 whole square minus x square is equal to 39. This will be x square plus 2x plus 2 minus x square is equal to 39. X plus 1 is equal to 39. Therefore, x value comes to 38. X value come to 18. So the numbers are 18 and 19. Numbers are 18 and 19. So answer is B, 18 and 19. Question number 44. If the sum of two numbers is 13 and the sum of their squares is 85, the numbers are. We will assume two numbers as x and y. X plus y is equal to 13. X square plus y square is equal to 85. X plus y is equal to 13. X square plus y square is equal to 85. X plus y whole square is equal to 169. X square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 69. X square plus y square is equal to 85. Two xy is equal to 84. Xy value comes to 42. Xy value comes to 42. Then difference. That is x minus y whole square. X square plus y square minus 2xy. X square minus 2x square 2y square. This you can write it as x plus y whole square minus 4xy. This you can write it as x plus y 4xy. X plus is 2 into 4 into 2 42. So x minus y comes to 1. X minus y comes to 1. Now x plus y is equal to 13 and x minus 1 is equal to 1. So 2x is equal to 14. X value comes to 7. When x value comes to 7, y value comes to 6. So numbers are 7 and 6. Question number 45. If the product of two numbers is 143 and sum of their squares is 290, then the sum of their two numbers are. We will assume two numbers as x and y. X square plus y square is given as 290. Xy is given as 143. X square plus y square is given as 290. Xy is given as 243. X plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. 290 into 2 into 143. This is 576. So x plus y comes to 24. So x plus y comes to 24. Root of 576 is 24. So sum of the two numbers is 24. So answer is 24. When a number is added to another number, the total becomes 150% of the second number. The ratio between the first and the second number is. Numbers we assume it as x and y. Numbers we assume it as x1, x and y. So x plus y is equal to 150% of y. X plus y is equal to 150% of y. %, fraction is 3 by 2. 150% fraction is 3 by 2. Cross multiply. Two x plus 2y is equal to 3y. Therefore, 2x is equal to y. So ratio is 2:1. Ratio is 2:1. 47th problem. If the product of two numbers is 192 and sum of the two numbers is 28, the smaller of these two numbers are xy is equal to 192, x plus y is equal to 28. Sum of two numbers is 28 and product is 192. So x minus y whole square, x square plus y square minus 2xy, or you can write it as x square plus y square minus 4xy. So this is equal to x square plus y square, 784 minus 768. This is equal to 16. X minus y is equal to 4. This is second equation. X plus y is equal to 28. X minus y is equal to 4. 2x is equal to 24. X value comes to 12. Y value comes to 16. 48th problem. If the product of two numbers is 192 and the difference of these two numbers is 4, the greater of these two numbers are. Numbers we take it as x and y. X minus y is equal to 4. Xy is equal to 492. x plus y whole square is equal to x minus y whole square, x minus y whole square plus 4xy. So x value comes to 12, y value comes to 16. He is asking the greater number. So answer is 16, that is C. Question number 49. There are two numbers such that the sum of twice the first and thrice the second is 18, while the sum of thrice the first and twice the second is 17. The greater of the two numbers are twice the first and thrice the second. Thrice the first and twice the second. 17. So answer is 4. Question number 50. A positive number when decreased by 4 is equal to 21 times the reciprocal of the number. The number is a positive number decreased by 4. So x minus 4 is equal to 21 times the reciprocal, that is 21 by x. Cross multiply. We will neglect minus value, we take the plus value. We will assume the number as x. We will assume the number as x. There will be two possibilities. X plus 10 is equal to 3 into x minus 10. This is one possibility. Or x plus 10 is equal to 3 into 10 minus x. 3 into 10 minus x. X is equal to 20. X can be either 20 or 5. X can be either 20 or 5.